So here is another question on solving quadratic equations through completing the square method. So here the quadratic equation is given: a square x square minus 3abx plus 2b square is equal to 0. So here first we'll write the quadratic equation, that is a square x square minus 3abx plus 2b square, okay, 2b square, okay, 2b square is equal to 0. Now here a, b, they are all real numbers, okay. So first what we have to do, we have to take the same approach we'll do. Here c is equal to 2b square. If we compare it with a standard equation of, let's say, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, here a is equal to a square, b is equal to minus 3ab and c is equal to 2b square. So here what we'll do, we'll take this c part to the right hand side. So it will become a square x square minus 3abx is equal to minus 2b square. That implies ax whole square, we will write a square x square as ax whole square minus, this is a. Now we have to represent this in 2ab format. So 2 into ax into 3b by 2. This will be 2 will get cancelled and we will have 3abx. So here this is a square, this is minus 2 to a into b, then we have to add plus 3b by 2 whole square on both sides to balance the equation. 2b square plus 3b by 2 whole square. So here it is 2ab and this is plus b square. That implies ax minus 3b by 2 whole square is equal to minus 2b square plus 9b square by 4, which is equal to minus 8b square plus 9b square by 4, which is equal to b square by 4. That implies ax minus 3b by 2 whole square is equal to b by 2 whole square. That implies b by 2 whole square, which is b square by 4. That implies ax minus 3b by 2 is equal to root over of this much, which is equal to plus minus b by 2. That implies ax is equal to 3b by 2 plus minus b by 2. That implies ax is equal to 3b by 2 plus b by 2, or ax is equal to 3b by 2 minus b by 2. That implies Ax is equal to 4b by 2, which is equal to 2b. That implies x is equal to 2b by a, or that implies Ax is equal to 2b by 2, which is equal to b. That implies x is equal to b by a. So x is equal to 2b by a, or x is equal to b by a. These are the two roots or solutions of the quadratic equation. Okay, 2b by a or b by a. So here, instead of proper numbers, we have a, b, which are real numbers. Okay, so this is the solution or root of the quadratic equation. So here is another question on solving quadratic equation through completing the square method. So here the equation is given: 4x square plus 4bx minus a square minus b square is equal to 0. So we have to solve it using completing the square method. So first here we'll write the quadratic equation: 4x square plus 4bx minus a square minus b square is equal to 0. Now same approach here, we will take this minus a square minus b square part to the right hand side. So it will become 4x square plus 4bx is equal to a square minus b square plus a square minus b square. Here it was minus, here it is plus. Now this portion again we have to convert it into a plus b whole square format, because here it is plus. So we can write 4x square as 2x whole square plus 4bx as 2 into 2x into b. So this is 2ab format where b is equal to this small b. So b square added to convert it into 2x plus b whole square format, and here also we'll add a square minus b square plus b square to balance both sides. So the left hand side is 2x plus b whole square is equal to a square minus b square plus b square, which is equal to a square only. B square minus b square plus b square gets cancelled. Okay, so 2x plus b square is equal to a square. That implies two x plus b is equal to root over of a square, which is equal to plus minus a. That implies 2x is equal to minus b plus minus a. So that implies 2x is equal to minus a minus b, or 2x is equal to plus a minus b. That implies x is equal to minus a minus b by 2, or x is equal to a minus b by 2. So this we can write it as x is equal to minus a plus b by 2, and here this is same, x is equal to a minus b by 2. So these are the two solutions, the two roots of the quadratic equation. Okay, this. So the approach is the same. Here instead of whole numbers, proper numbers, we had 4 here, 4x square and 4bx, the remaining a, b and they are real numbers. Okay, so this is the solution.